Now, from
severe weather that's been terrorizing folks in parts of southwestern Minnesota. We have lots of colors on here. What you're seeing in the green is a flood warning. We've had a couple of inches of rain in a short amount of time with more rain falling. And you have the tornado warnings. This one in effect until 7 o'clock. We'll shift down to the one of more concern right now. It's the one on the southeastern edge of this. That's in effect until 7:15. Riverdale, Medelia, towns like that. There's reports of a tornado on the ground right now. This is about 15 miles southwest of New Ulm. It's moving to the southeast at about 30 miles per hour, which is much more rapid pace than the tornadoes we had earlier in the day that were happening south of Redwood Falls. You see the strong thunderstorm cells. Obviously, we have lightning in the area. We've had reports of sizable hail. Some of the hail estimates have crept up to baseball size, which is very damaging. And we're looking at the storm winds. When we see the red and green close together, this is where we're picking up rotation in the area of the tornado that was reported on the ground. Again, moving to the southeast at about 30 miles per hour, picking up some of the shear here in the tornado warning area. As you can see, some of the towns like Riverdale we mentioned, Hanska getting pummeled right now with heavy rain and strong hail as well. Moving to the southeast, 30 miles per hour. 2 tornado warnings. The one on the back edge will probably be allowed to expire. It's the front edge one where we have the tornado on the ground right now. For more information on other ingredients with the storm that are also very damaging, let's go to meteorologist Mike Augustinak. Mike?
In your home, please go to a basement or interior room away from windows. That will keep you safe, not only from the winds and the potential tornado, but also hail, which is quite large with this storm, and I'll show you that coming up in just 10 seconds. If you're outdoors, you need to get inside. Sheds, storage facilities, mobile homes are unsafe in weather like this. And if you're drying, you want to seek indoor shelter if you can. It may be possible to outrun the storm, although that is very difficult and not advised. If you're in your car, you can get into a if you're driving and you can't get away from the storm, you can get into a low-lying ditch or get down in your car and cover your head. The safety cage of your car may do a pretty good job of protecting you. It might be your best option. We mentioned the thunderstorm warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, also the tornado warning. Here's a different look at them, and what I've done is turn on the hail potential for them for you. This one storm that's just to the northeast of Comfrey, that hail core with that, in addition to the tornado threat, could potentially bring up to hen egg size hail. That's pretty large, but it's not any match for what's in this other storm, which again has a combination of both a severe thunderstorm warning and a tornado warning on it. That is baseball size hail that our algorithms are picking up between Hanska and Medelia, moving now just across the northern fringes of Riverdale. These storms are both drifting off to the southeast pretty slowly, and because of that, we have also had some flash flooding. I want to turn on the rainfall estimate because that has been pretty significant as well. Just in the past few hours, as I widen out here, you can see that this little, at least 2 bullseyes of heavy rain around and just south of Sleepy Eye and also just north of Sleepy Eye. In the past 1 to 2 hours, anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of rain have fallen. That's a radar estimate, and flash flooding is imminent in these areas. Let's take a different look here. I want to show you the forecast because it really does highlight how localized this threat for severe weather is. It's sort of along and just south of the Minnesota River Valley. This is the forecast going just through the next couple of hours. Even though this is a fairly ripe area for severe weather production now, by 9 or 10 o'clock, I think that thunderstorm fuel and the wind shear, which helps these thunderstorms organize, will essentially be gone. And so through the next couple of hours, there is still a threat for severe weather. Again, in areas along and just southwest of the Minnesota River Valley, but through the overnight, at worst, it will be rain showers, and even that may not be all that widespread. These storms do have a history of producing tornadoes. This is a view from one of our viewers, Jan, a little earlier this evening. You can see that appendage hanging down. right here. That is likely a tornado, although it may not be in touch with the ground, which would make it just a funnel cloud. This is definitely a tornado from a viewer named Robin in the Wabasso area, again, about the same time. We would love to see your photos if it's safe to take them. Please share them online using a hashtag WCCO. You can do that on Facebook, on Twitter, or on Instagram, and we'll get them here in the Weather Center. Chris?
And we still, Mike, haven't had any reports of this tornado lifting that caused the latest tornado warning from the National Weather Service in effect until 7:15. Medelia, Riverdale, a couple of the towns in the area. You can see the heavy rain and thunderstorms again that are moving to the southeast about 30 miles per hour. So looking at that area, here are the towns. It's obviously farming community down in there, so there aren't many towns, but Riverdale, Medelia, the two I mentioned, you see the times before 7 and just after 7 o'clock. The rotation still being picked up on Doppler radar. As Mike said, we had tornadoes earlier near Wabasso and also south of Redwood Falls, and now we're dealing with strong hail and obviously the report of that tornado. Again, get to your safe place. We will keep you updated as these storms continue to move to the southeast about 30 miles per hour. This is southwest of the Twin Cities.